I'm Dave, and this is Austin Eats. Today we're going to be grilling the granddaddy of all steaks, the Tomahawk. This is 60 ounces of a double-cut bone-in ribeye. That's nearly 4 pounds of carnivorous delight. And we're going to be cooking it in a wood-fired oven. I previously cooked steaks in a wood-fired oven in a cast-iron skillet. But because the Tomahawk has a big bone on it, it's not going to fit in the skillet. Instead, we're going to be using a homemade Tuscan grill. This is a 12-inch by 14-inch cast iron grate that I bought online. It's a replacement part for a barbecue. And I added some 3.5-inch bolts and we're ready to go. Once the oven is nice and hot, I'm going to push the logs to the back of the oven and I'll pull forward some of the burning coals. I'll then position my Tuscan grill directly over those coals. When this is nice and hot, we're ready to cook. Let's get started. I took this steak out of the refrigerator about 90 minutes ago. I wanted it to be up around 60 to 65 degrees Fahrenheit before putting it in the oven. You don't want to put a cold steak in a hot oven. If you do, by the time the center becomes medium rare, well, the outside is just burned and ruined. To prepare the steak, I'm going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on it. Brush that in. Then we're going to add a generous amount of fine sea salt. And some fresh cracked pepper. For this steak, I like it a little bit on the coarse side. Gives the steak some crunch. All right, turn it over, do it again. A little olive oil, more sea salt, and a whole bunch of black pepper. Okay, now we just have to wait for the oven to get hot. Our grill is hot. It's time to cook. So I've pulled forward a bunch of coals under the bottom of the floor and our grill is now nice and hot. So we're going to add the ribeye right in the middle. I pulled this forward because this fire is hot and this ribeye has a lot of fat. That's causing a lot of grease in the bottom of the oven. So I pulled it forward a little bit. I want this to cook at an even temperature. So in about 4 minutes, I'm going to flip this over and we'll do another 4 minutes. I'm not going to rotate this 90 degrees just because I like grill marks that are crossed. There we go. It's been about 4 minutes. So now we're going to take it out and turn it over and do this again. Oh, this looks fantastic. Look at that. Back in it goes for another few minutes. We're done. That rests about 10 minutes and then we'll slice it up. That is as good as it gets.
You can find all of our recipes at amzn.to. If you like the video, please let me know. And please subscribe. We've got new videos coming out every week. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Austin Eats.